Hi friends, in this short video, I will show you how you can block ads showing up on applications in Android devices. It is always annoying when you see ads popping up whenever you download and start using apps from Play Store. Ads will start showing on majority of free games or in any other apps or even in browsers. So in this video, I'm going to tell you a very useful and easy way on how you can block those ads from your Android devices. You don't need to download any app or use any third-party apps to do this. You just need to change some settings in your devices that I show on this video and have to apply those settings. Once those changes are applied, no ads will be showing on your Android devices anymore, even if you open any apps or browsers or even while playing any games. Right now I am using Samsung Android phone for showing this process. This particular phone is using One UI and the settings may change from phone to phone, the location where we are making the changes. So let's jump. First you have to go to the settings, and from here, in this case, you have to go to the connections. Now from here, just find more connections, and here you can see an option private DNS. Just click on that. By default it will be automatic. You have to change it to private DNS provider host name. Just select that, and here you have to type in dns.adguard.com. Then you have to save it. Now you have to restart your phone. That's it. Now no ads will be shown on your Android devices, even when you are opening games, or if you are browsing, or even if you are installing any apps, free apps. No ads will be shown in your mobile Android phones. If you are not able to locate your DNS, it's always best thing is to search for DNS. Just take settings and search for private DNS. You'll get the settings straight away. So this is the easy way to find the private DNS of your phone from the settings. So this is the useful method to block ads showing up on your Android devices. Hope this video is useful for you. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.